Be prepared if you test drive a Cybertruck, you're going home with it. This guy was able to eat breakfast while FSD drove him to work. Imagine effortless morning commute through traffic while sipping on coffee and breakfast sandwich is the best. FSD is such a game changer, it's amazing how many people cannot grasp how mundane and arduous driving can be. Cybertruck owners have been doing this for well over a year. We call it the fast food hamburger test. How easy is it to eat a fast food meal while the car drives you? It was harder when you had to keep jiggling the steering wheel. But now that we have eyes forward attention monitoring, it's much easier. These days the car just doesn't make mistakes. So eating a meal while driving works. It drives safer and smoother than any human out there. The 7 cameras plus 2 eyes, can't beat that.